Building my ultimate mobile editing setup. This is the most convenient iPad cage I've used. Mounting the iPad is extremely simple and it keeps your iPad absolutely secure with two clamp style grips. It also has a magnetic space to securely store your Apple Pencil. Plus, it comes with a sunshade to reduce glare when using it as a monitor outdoors. But I have a different concept for it. I want to create the ultimate editor's grid to help me edit on the go. So let's get started. I've used a multi-port adapter and mounted it on the side of the cage, followed by a base plate to attach V-mount battery for extended power delivery, and a magnetic SSD for extra storage. This gives me the perfect setup for editing on the go without worrying about space or power. I'd love to hear your suggestions on this setup and any ideas on how I can upgrade it further. Do let me know in your comments.